Hey, so today we have a $100,000 grant and more grants for small businesses. Stay tuned to learn how to qualify for these grants after this intro. So first grant we have is $100,000 in grant money available to underrepresented business in Texas. The Founder First CDC has announced that some $100,000 in grant money is available for minority-owned businesses in the state of Texas. This will be the second round of grants being awarded by the nonprofit as a part of the Job Creators Quest grant to support minority and underrepresented business owners. So the Jobs Creator Quest grant is providing $100K to small businesses, and to be eligible for this grant, your business must meet the following requirements. Your business must have a current staff of 2 to 20 employees. Your business should be a service-based business. Your business must act as a for-profit company with annual revenues between $100,000 and $3 million. Your business must be founded by an entrepreneur who identifies as Latinx, Black, Asian, women, LGBTQIA+, military, veteran, or is located in a low to moderate income area. So the grant money awarded to the qualifying businesses can be used as a growth capital to hire or rehire premium wage jobs, or be used as a cash infusion to purchase, fix, or enhance equipment necessary to help business manage growth and scale for the future. These businesses to apply for this grant in Texas can be in the most major areas such as Dallas-Fort-Worth, Houston, Austin, San Antonio, and other areas in the North, Central, and South Texas regions. A total of $100,000 will be awarded to 30 businesses in Texas. The grants will range from $1,500 to $10,000 per company and include a guaranteed spot in one of the Founders First accelerator programs. The accelerator program offers a full tuition scholarship to awardees with ways to increase their revenue and drive profitable growth. When you're awarded the grant amount shall be dispersed in 2 installments. Half of the cash grant award amount will be dispersed up to 60 days after signed terms and conditions, W-9, and setup of payment disbursement system is confirmed. The remaining portion will be dispersed up to 60 days after the completion of the business participation in the eligible accelerator program. The application deadline is July 25th, 2022, 5 p.m. Central Time. This grant project was launched in early 2021, and since its launch, Founders First CDC has awarded more than $400,000 to minority and underserved business owners throughout the United States, with a focus on Texas, Chicago, Southern California, Philadelphia, and New Jersey. So when the applications open up for those other states, I will make sure to bring it all to you. So make sure you subscribe to get the latest updates. Now, the link to this grant application will be linked below if you have any additional questions. Well, we also have another grant for my credit cousins in San Antonio, Texas. This grant is the San Antonio Small Business Program, and it's a new small business grant program funded through the American Rescue Plan Act. Small businesses in San Antonio, Texas can apply between $15,000 and $35,000. The City Council has allocated $17 million for this program, and to qualify, businesses must be able to show a profit and loss of at least 20% in gross revenue between 2019 to 2021. The grant applications will open August 1st for grant ranging from $15,000 to $35,000, aimed at helping businesses that lost revenue during the pandemic. So when this grant opens, I'll make sure to add the link to the video description box and add the link to the community tab so you won't miss it. So make sure to subscribe so that you won't miss any announcements. And if you don't qualify for any of these grants, please share this video with someone who does. I'm currently working on presenting more grants for all of my viewers, so make sure to subscribe to find out the latest. Also, make sure to find a link in the description box and pin comments on this video to join the private group Credit Cousins to keep up with more credit tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Bye.